What's up guys, and welcome back. Today we are gonna learn how to manage inventory on Woocommerce. Now we suppose that we have set up a Woocommerce store on our site and also added products. To manage inventory of Woocommerce store, you need to go to Woocommerce settings and click products. Now here under products you have this link inventory. Click on it. And now you can see some settings of inventory. In the first option, you can choose to manage or not the stock. If you disable it, some settings will disappear. But we want to manage stock, so we enable it. And now here you have some settings. The first setting is hold stock for minutes. This option will hold the stock decremented for unpaid orders for amount of minutes we choose. When the limit of these minutes is reached, the pending order will be automatically cancelled. You can leave this blank to disable this option. You can also enable and disable notifications for low stock notification and out of stock notifications. Also, you can set up the low stock threshold and out of stock threshold. And also you can choose to hide out the products that are out of stock. After you complete your settings, just click Save Changes, and now these settings are saved. Also, you can manage inventory for every product at the products. Just go to products and choose one product, for example this one. Scroll down and go to inventory. Now you can see that you can track stock quantity for this product and also set the stock status for only this product. If we visit our page and go to a product, for example this one that we were watching, you can see here in the description that there isn't any sign if this product is in stock or not. To display it, just go to the product and enable stock management. Set the quantity of this product, for example 10, and click update. Now that's updated, so we go to our product and refresh the page. Now you can see that the availability of our product is displayed correctly. Okay guys, this is the simplest method to manage your stock on your Woocommerce store. I hope you find something helpful in this video, and also don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Till the next time we see ya, have a nice day, bye.